about the boy, they wanna know about the boy. Know about the boy, they wanna. I stay fresh. I'm Flag's Big Bird.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Mills from Kicks and Collectibles, back again with another review. This time we've got two more packages from Zavi, and you guessed it, it's the Super Mario shirts. I think Mario has had an accident. Let's get into the unboxing. Let's get into the first Hut Group package, and this is not affiliated with Jabba the Hutt in any way. As one of you alluded in the comments, you wouldn't do business with the Hutts. Probably a good idea. Okay. So this is going to be another t-shirt. Again, we've got the gold Super Mario sticker, officially licensed Nintendo stuff. There should be a hoodie coming. I don't know when. Now, this is the one thing that really annoys me about Zavi. Goddamn knife. They just dispatch stuff kind of as and when. There's no real, you don't really know when it's going to come. They give you like a rough indication, and then out of the blue, you just get this notification. So here we have the Nintendo original Hero Boom t-shirt in black. This costs $24.99. Let's take a closer look at what you get inside the box. So on the front, you've got the cool little Bomb Man logo. Bomb Woohey or something. I don't know how to say that. Correct me in the comments as always. And then again, you just got Super Mario 2019 on the inside, and you got the cool little label. But the good thing about this, you got the good print on the back. This is more what you expect. I mean, this is super cool. Regardless of whatever, this is a pretty cool shirt. I'm very happy with this one. Not so happy with the first one in the other video. Let's get that out the way. Now this, I believe, is made of, let's see what this is made of. I don't know. It's 100% cotton. Yeah, that's the size there, 2XL. So I think this, on the whole, is a pretty cool shirt. We've got nothing on the sleeves. Nothing else anywhere else. That's cool. On to the next one. So this Nintendo original Heroes line is definitely now closed over on Zavi. Did send out a SMS text message telling folk that it's done. And it's based on, so this is what they actually say on the website. It's Tokyo themed kanji Super Mario streetwear, and it's now been vaulted. So again, just got basic black packaging, and this one's slightly damaged. Thanks, Zavi. I genuinely hate the way Zavi send out their stuff. Like, it's just so annoying. Like, you gotta fix that, guys. If I placed one order, I want it all at the same time. Now, this should be the Piranha Plant in white. And I am correct. Awesome. Yeah, these are cool. All right, let's get this guy out. So this is the motif we have on the front. That just looks sick. Yeah, that's awesome, man. I can't lie. That's pretty freaking cool. Where's the tag? What do we got? So it's the same thing again. This is a little different. The other shirts didn't have this kind of tag. Still says Super Mario 2019 in there. And on the back, yeah. Now that's awesome. That's definitely awesome. Definitely feeling this, man. See if I can get that all in the shot at once. Yeah, kind of. We in there. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I really like this a lot. So out of the 3 shirts that y'all seen, this would have been my favorite. Second is the Bomberman one, and then lastly, it's the first Mario one. We're still waiting for one more product, which is the hoodie. Hopefully it'll come soon. I had video up as soon as it's here. Guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe as always. Peace.
They wanna know about the boy, know about the boy. They wanna know about